Alright, in today's video, you're going to see a lot more of what we do in the woods other than work on our fort. With the chopping down of trees and cutting and laying our planks, it's pretty exhausting, so we have to take some downtime, get some calories in, and sometimes find fun things to do. So we're showing you a little bit more of that today. Hope you enjoy. Hello! We're back out here. This is day number... Day number 4, and we are stepping up our camera game a little bit. We got a tripod for the camera now so we can all be in the picture, and also this handy dandy little remote to start and stop our video. So we're back out here again. It is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, but we are not watching the game. We're out here working on our survival fort. And we still have some more planks to put across our shelter today, so we've got some more cutting to do. It's still only about 25 degrees out. It's cold. We might start up a fire, or we might just get to work to warm ourselves up. So here we go. Okay, even getting ready to start our fire, pulling apart some cotton tinder. As always, we've got our dry twig pile, moving up into some bigger stuff sitting around. That way, once this tinder gets sparked up and gets a little flame, we can add and really get it rolling before, rather than having to run around and try and find stuff later. Once you get a good pile like that, you can just stick that remaining pod right in the middle and it'll burn a little longer. Good. Okay.
I got it.
Yeah, just leaning some of that stuff up on it. Just building up a little teepee. Got to keep all the air going in down at the bottom. That's kind of why we stacked up some of those twigs at the start, so it'd have room to get air from below.
Oh my gosh, this is so big.
There we go. We got some warmth. All right, we got this next tree down, and we're running our paracord up to right where it's got this jumble of branches, and we want to cut it exactly in half so we get 2 out of this nice straight piece. How would we figure out half?
You would figure out half by taking this piece and then maybe tying a knot over there and doing it like that, and then you would find the part that's in the middle, and then you can measure that and cut it.
Yeah, so we've got the total length. If we fold our line in half, that'll give us the halfway. So that's what we're gonna do. There you go. Good.
Oh, dude, this is...
You can angle the saw up or down, and that will get it to a slightly newer spot and not have to cut through as much wood. There you go. Once you feel it catch, just kind of try, and the more speed, the better. All right, we're taking a little break. What are you guys doing?
We're playing tic-tac.
Tic-tac leaf stick. I like it. Let's see.
I'll pick here. So I'm leaves, he's sticks. And it's basically tic-tac-toe, except nature.
Oh man, it's a draw. I love it though. Great idea, guys. Good little rest break. And while the kids are playing a little tic-tac leaf stick, heating up a little water on the fire here, we're gonna have some hot chocolate. Let's see, I bring out a little wire rack too. Sometimes you can prop your pot up on some rocks or something like that, keep it a little higher. But in this case, we had good strong fire coals sitting there, so the pot sits just fine. We're gonna heat it up. I'll grab it off with my little lightweight pot grabber, and we'll make some hot chocolate. We got a little nice little lightweight aluminum cups. Hot chocolate with marshmallows. This is a great calorie snack. Keep the kids energized. They're washing their hands over by the creek right now. But it'll warm them up. You can warm their hands up on the sides of the cups and get some calories. Really helps out on these cold days. So Tristan thought his hot chocolate was a little too cold or too hot.
I didn't even have it.
So he went and got some cold water from the creek, and they're putting their cups down in the cold water,
So it'll
pull some of that heat off. It's a great idea, guys.
It shouldn't take a while.
Let's do a quick cheers. Hey, I love spending time in the woods with you guys, and this is going to be a great adventure. Really proud of all that hard work. Can't wait to finish this thing and sleep out here.
Yeah!
All right, I'm up here on our about halfway finished fort, and we were talking about how cool it is that we're out here doing this stuff on the weekend.
Yeah.
And what other kinds of stuff do we do on the weekend?
We play video games, go horseback riding, go fishing.
Yeah, we love fishing, horseback riding, and of course video games are fun too, but we like to spend as much time outside as we can.
Yeah.
And we came up with this project how? Tristan, you gotta look at the camera, bud.
How we came up with this idea is we were watching this channel called the Adventure Agents, and they do a lot of cool like building and survival stuff. And we just wanted to say that you definitely should go check out their channel.
Yeah, they were very inspirational into us tackling our own adventure survival projects.
Because
And
we wouldn't be out here doing this right now if it weren't for them.
yeah. So yeah, go check out the Adventure Agents, give them a follow as well, and
Subscribe to their channel.
yeah, maybe someday we'll meet them and we'll do adventure stuff together.
That'd be so cool.
Okay,
Hi.
where are we, guys?
On the tree fort.
We're on the tree fort.
This is very scary.
We haven't finished our planks over there yet.
Oh gosh.
You can see our bottom way down there. But these guys we've got in here, we haven't organized them yet. They'll get closer together.
Closer than it actually is.
Yeah.
It's really far down.
How far do you think you guys, how much more do you think we have to lay down here?
Like a couple. Like probably one more tree that's really big.
Yeah, probably one or two more trees. We're calling it a day right now, but we just wanted to show you guys we're up in the fort. So again, as we move forward, we'll have a tarp attachment way up there, and come and put a vertical up here for our other end of the tarp, and it'll be like a little triangle teepee up here. But just so you get the view again, you can see way down there to that creek bed, way out over Tennessee. You can almost see North Carolina over there.
Alaska. We're higher than that.
So day 4 is done. We've almost got our planks in. One more day of planks and we'll lash them down.
And then probably only like 2 more days, and then
Yeah, and then we'll be ready. All right. Bye,
And then-
guys.
Okay. Bye.
All right. What did you guys want to say to everybody?
Subscribe.
Please subscribe to our channel down below.
Like the video.
Like our video.